Hey, and welcome to this chess video. I want to introduce a new feature to you on chess.com. It's called Puzzle Rush. I did some videos from another site where we were solving mate in one puzzles. But yeah, this is more like general tactics. So you get 5 minutes and you have to solve as many puzzles as you can. But the problem is 3 strikes and you're out. Like in my last try here, I made my 3rd error and my streak stopped. So get as many as you can in 5 minutes or until you get the 3rd one wrong. So the first few will be very easy. So you have to get through them fast, but then you will get, yeah, significantly tougher. But here we go. First one seems pretty obvious. We take a queen, and yeah, the first one's very obvious. Boden's mate. Oh, win some material. Checkmate. Yeah, this one. Take the material. And my queen. No. Why can't I see this one immediately? I'm taking too long on this one. This will mess up everything. Why does it do that? I must admit I didn't understand this one. Must play this? Yeah, must play. Okay, now I have to make up ground and win some queens. Yeah. But I'll just take it. Well, I don't get it. Okay, let's go. Oh, I know this one. Haha. And queen h2. Let me finish. This was actually from pattern recognition. We already had a few from pattern recognition. I'll play here first, then queen f1. Oh, my queen is pinned. Bloody hell. I shouldn't get correct for this one, but we're gonna get it right. Accidentally, in a way. But it counts. 324. What do we have here? Oh, yeah. Sure. I have the black pieces, so bishop b7. And where's the mate? Here. Coming up. Oh, Legal's mate. I thought this and take. Oh, the rook is covering the h-file. Smothered mate, we can't mess that one up. Nobody can. The queen doesn't have a lot of squares, but I need to move fast. Take the queen. Something, g5. Mate. Swing the rook over and give some kind of mate. This looks mate-ish. Bishop h3 coming here. Incoming. Bishop f1. Bishop takes f6. Looks tempting. I need to move faster. Why did it look tempting? Take here? No. I don't get full marks for this one. Yeah, I got it right. So that's sounds about right. Let's just take here and win a piece. Got 2 minutes still. I think one mistake. Have to avoid the mate. We have to avoid the mate. We'll just take the material then. Take this and then royal hit him with everything. This first. Attaboy. Bishop, introduce the bishop, and then we can give this mate. Well-known mechanism. Pattern recognition in action. What do we have here? This isn't immediately mate, but I think we go here anyway. Okay. Here. Blocking. No, I thought, no, it's check. Ouch. Ouch town. Population Sibit. Okay, I got my best mark though. I think we warmed up enough for one more go. Let's get the record. Come on, come on. Come on, yo. Why is this so tough? Oh, I'll take the rook. What the shouldn't be tough. Up, Capablanca brother. You can't. Yep. The Capablanca blunder. This looks mate. Yep, Queen G4 mate. Probably here. Take it. Discovery. Discovery in the station. We'll just take the rook. And we'll give mate. And here we will take the queen. Thank you, very nice. This must be something. And where's the mate? Here, and queen e7. Here, one apiece. Mate. Queen f6, g4, queen h6. Rook take, yeah. When bishop takes e5. That's self-made-ish type of line. Must move quicker somehow here. I guess we win material. Take. Mouse slip. We'll take on f7, and that happens. That happens though. Rook e1. Well-known tactic. Which way am I going? This is confusing. Confusing stuff. I guess I'll give a check. This is too confusing. Draw. Takes. Queen h5. Oh, I take here and then on f1. Beauty. Beauty. That's a beauty, isn't it? Queen d3. 252. Oh, that was brutal to miss. Then I take on f1. It was brutal to miss that one where I mouse slipped. I don't see any material like here at e4, and then just take. I guess I take this, and here. Okay. I have to move faster. Attack something. Attack the bishop, because we had knight check. Now I'm just making moves. No, but that's a good move. That's a good move. I'm gonna go here. Okay. I take it. No, 90 was 97 pinned? What was going on there? H5. King H6 and F5 and Sukshan. Here. D6. I mean, I'm in the zone, yo. I'm in your zone, yo. I black the pawn. Knight g5 looks tempting. Why not? Queen f4, and you lose material. Let's just. Is it mate though? Shouldn't take this long, but this looks like mate somehow. Okay. No! Bloody hell! What was the? Can I move this? No, I can't move this. Oh, I take first on d6 then e5, because now he moves the bishop back to c7 and then takes on f4 if I take his knight. Okay, fair enough. So we got 38. That's pretty good though. It's pretty good. So yeah, that was Puzzle Rush, a new feature on chess.com that I encourage you to try out, have some fun with, and you know, if you encounter some problems where you find pattern recognition in action, give me a shout out. In this one we had plenty of pattern recognition moments. I'll try to link to the relevant patterns by putting cards or putting them in the description. I will also put a link in the description to Puzzle Rush on chess.com. But for now, Zibit signing out. See you in the next video. Bye bye.